people concerned about water intrusion on the intake systems. Now, you sit there and you'll have BMW guys sitting there running open intakes, no problems whatsoever. Guys running turbos in the front of their Evo intake, and they're not worried about water. You'll have BMW doing factory water injection systems. But everybody's really concerned about how much water goes into these intake systems and can it handle the water if it enters. Now, I've driven this thing on racetracks in the rain. I've been through all sorts of tornadoes and crazy levels of rain here in the south, and no problems. Now, I've made a mess on my floor. Can't argue that. But let's take a look at the intake. I'm actually getting it more wet by touching it. There are drain holes in the bottom of this box. The high-speed airflow actually does a better job at separating out the rainwater from the air as it hits this back surface when it enters the box. Then it hits a secondary surface. The water is basically going to be attaching to the surface, and surface tension is going to help pull the water out of the air. Next, you have this pre-filter here, which is hydrophobic. So that's going to keep water from entering the filter as well. All right, and to take things off the car and actually find out just how little water intrusion we had, we can take a peek. Nothing's coming out of there. And let's take a look inside. What do you think? Is it gonna be wet in there? No. Bone dry. Bone dry. The only thing that's in there is oil vapors, because let's be honest, it's an Evo. All those things combined to say, you're good. We got you.